Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we are going to see how to enable beta tester in YouTube and how to fix the beta tester program is full. Yes, you can fix it by using simple steps. Now I'm going to check how, and I'm going to do now. Now going to video. Before going to video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And first I'm clicking Play Store right now and I click YouTube and I'm searching YouTube. Any update is there or not? No, there is no update. Is updated in 18th December. I'm scrolling down. I'm not a beta tester right now for this, so it's not showing like that. So I want to become a beta tester. So how? Go back and go to Chrome. Here search YouTube beta tester join, and here you can see the first option is there. Click it, beta tester in YouTube app on Android. Click this one. After clicking this menu will be appear like this, and here's how to opt in is that you want to click that one. After clicking, the pop-up menu will appear like this. Visit the beta tester program, opt in, choose becoming a tester, follow on screen. Yes, click this opt-in page, and here one option is that become a tester. Click that one, become a tester. Yes, this page will be appear like this. Welcome to the testing program. You are now a tester. Yes, it's now the beta tester mode is on and it's fixed right now. After that, you go and check in Play Store whether it's beta program mode is enabled or not. I'm going to checking right now. Going to click Play Store, and here top right corner 3 lines of that, click this one, and here you can see my applications and games are there. Click it, and the fourth option, updates installed library and beta is there. Click this beta, and you can see now I'm enabling YouTube and WhatsApp Messenger. It's installed right now. So this is how to check whether beta program is enabled or not. So thanks for watching this video.